Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's look at this question based on the refraction of light through a prism. A narrow beam, PQ of white light is passing through a glass prism ABC as shown in the diagram. Notice the incident ray PQ striking the face AB of the prism. DE represents the screen. Let us see the first question. Draw a ray diagram to show the emergent beam as it falls on the screen DE. Let's draw the ray diagram. As the white light enters the prism, it bends towards the normal and splits into different colors. Upon emerging from the second surface, it bends away from the normal, further separating the colors, which then fall on the screen DE. Red deviates the least, while violet deviates the most. Let us see the next question. Also write the phenomenon involved and its cause. A beam of white light gives a spectrum of 7 colors on passing through a solid prism. This splitting up of white light into its constituent colors is known as dispersion of light. What is the cause of this? In a glass medium, different colors of light travel at different speeds. Because of this speed difference, they bend at different angles and separate out. The final question is, using the second law of refraction, state which color of light must have the highest value of refractive index amongst 7 visible colors of light. And justify your answer. The second law of refraction, also known as Snell's law, states that the refractive index, n, determines how much light bends. Mathematically, Snell's law is given by sin I divided by sin R equals a constant n, where n is the refractive index of the medium, and I and R are the angles of incidence and refraction. Remember, the refractive index is inversely proportional to the speed of light in the medium. Simply put, slower speed means higher refractive index. Among the 7 visible colors, violet light has the shortest wavelength. Because of this, it travels the slowest in glass and bends the most. Therefore, since it undergoes maximum bending due to its slowest speed, violet light has the highest refractive index. Thank you. Happy learning.